Here's what's coming up. Beautiful people. So about to get dressed because I look a hot mess. Oh, I rhyme. About to get dressed because I look a hot mess. And so let me put y'all on my camera now. My dress I always look a mess. Maybe I can, okay, put this stuff away because, y'all, what? Oh, I'm like all over the place. Yeah. Please. Okay, it looks better. Yeah, a lot better. Well, it wasn't like completely a mess, but okay, y'all. Now is my turn. I look a hot mess. I'm about to get dressed because I look a mess. Oh, y'all, and I took my nails off. Yes, my hands are. I need to let them air out, so I'm probably let them air out for like maybe 3 days. That's it. I gotta get my nails back on because I don't go without my nails. So let me get myself together. I'm gonna need about an hour. I'm dreading to get, I don't know why I'm dreading to get out the car because it's so hot in the car. But I don't know, I guess this heat done got to me. It's hot as shit. Look, a hot mess right now. Let's see if I can record my sister. Open the door.
What up, nephew? Hey.
I always gotta get a jump in.
What's up?
Like always.
Well, I think Zayla was behind you.
Hold on.
That's all you gonna do? Jumping for 20 minutes. Okay, watch out. Let him do it. Okay, what is this? Okay, that's it. Do it. Really? Here, come film me then. You gotta get down. Make sure you can see me when I get up there.
Can I say hey? What? Good.
Oh.
Got you.
That got me tired. So, we are about to go somewhere. And it is so hot out here. The moon is out. Where'd it go? See it on the camera. Okay, there it go. Right there. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be out here because it is super hot.
I'm scared.
It is super hot. Super hot. Oh, that was better. So y'all know it is hot out there. Whew. Time to go. You got your hat on?
Huh?
Zayla, you got your hat on?
Got some of them basketball
Nice
shorts
shoes.
in the bag. Rika bottle.
What are those?
Demise. These are sandal shoes.
Demise.
No, they know we gonna swim in, but they.
The door open. You want me to shut it?
This light up.
Let me see. Because you put the fidget spinner things on there. You can't. You don't want to go? Can't spin.
Why y'all don't want to go to Camp Spence?
We not going to Camp Spencer. Oh. Going to break. Huh? nice. Okay, y'all, so we made it to Great Wolf. They are up there.
Let me hold her hand.
Okay, y'all, so we are
they really
about
need
to
to,
head down to
they need
the
to
water
talk to
area.
them. Yeah.
My bag is all the way to work. What are we standing here for?
Now, I mean, is it working? Oh.
You want a bracelet? Here, I can give you a different bracelet.
I'll give you one.
You get a special bracelet. So thank you. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
Thank you. Ooh, it's hot in here.
Come on. Come on, Vicky.
Shout out to my channel. It is so hot in here. Yeah, I'm about to get them.
You gotta go wait for a waffle.
Oh,
They right there. You see them?
yeah.
Watch them. We're gonna go to the waffle.
Going too fast. Water. So I gotta put my camera up. No running. Demise. Uh-oh. We all over the place, y'all. It's okay. Get up. Been looking for my sister, and this is where I found her at. It's got a lock in it, on it. I gotta go to the bathroom. Did you get stuck? Did you get stuck? Look at his hair.
I got wet all my clothes.
Okay, y'all, gotta change. So, let me change. I will see you guys. Well, maybe I won't see you guys in a few because I'm about to get in the water and put my camera up. Getting food. That one guy got that big bucket. The tipping bucket. How was Camp Spencer too?
Good.
You like
Go
it?
back. Yes.
Go put these on the table.
We told them we was coming to Camp Spencer. Hey Lee. What's wrong, Lee? What's wrong, Lee? You hungry? It's taking too long? We're waiting on that bucket to drop. Oh, you're so. I said you so.
That's the funnest ride I've ever had. It was fun though, but oh my god.
But look at Jayla. Oh, it ain't that cold. It's cold now. It's cold again. Warm. You just got out of water. Jumping. Are you running from the wave? The way they got this, it look like the ocean. Okay, y'all, so I'm all dressed. I look rough, but it's okay. I'm about to go to my sister's house because I think we're done here. So I guess I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Am I the only one that's really cautious? I always have to go back and double check to make sure I didn't leave anything. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Excuse me. Why are you under a chair? It's time to go. We had fun though. Okay, y'all, so we're leaving. It's cold out here. And it's so cold out here. Yeah, I look a hot mess. It look a hot mess. Hair all over the place. That water. Why am I out of breath? So I will be talking to you guys later when I get to my destination because I don't know where we're going. But yeah, we got in the pool, and then after we got out, we ate and then got back in the pool. It just feels like every time you get in the pool and get out, it's like you all hungry again, all over. So yeah. Oh, it's time to say goodbye. The sky looks really nice. I need to do something to my nails and my feet because I took my nails. To take a shower and get the chlorine off of my body and comb my hair down because I look a hot mess. So I will be back.